something should happen, don't you be afraid.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy Tyler. Welcome to another episode of Draw and Talk. The Kickstarter is live. Demons Volume 1 is live on Kickstarter, and guess what? It's already freaking 50% funded on day one, first 6 hours. So thank you everyone who has supported, and if you haven't supported but want to check it out, hit the link down in the description. It's the very first link. Freaking thank you so much, guys, for helping me get already 50% funded. I know it's a small goal of 1,000, but still, this is my first Kickstarter. This is a really big deal. So yeah, I'm super pumped. But those of you who don't know anything about my Kickstarter, really quick, I'm gonna play right now the Kickstarter trailer for you. So here we go. Hey everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm the creator of the comic book series Demons. The story of Demons revolves around the character Ace Carter as he struggles with his internal demons and also physical demonic monsters. He's going to come across some allies, he's also going to come across many enemies, and he's also going to have an emotional roller coaster with people that he believed were family and that he trusted. There's going to be action, fights, death. There's also going to be a huge climax, so I really hope you stick around for that. Ultimately, the story of Demons is about three things: family, faith, and relationships, and about Ace really overcoming these demons that have plagued his past and his present. For this Kickstarter, I need your help. I need your help to help me fund this 122-page graphic novel. Here's the thing, the book is already finished. From pencils, to inks, to colors, to letters, it's all done. All I need is to be able to fund the print run for this comic. It's already completed, and all I want to do is get it printed and shipped off to everyone so that they can read what I think is a really good story. Thanks so much for checking out this Kickstarter page. We have some awesome rewards. Feel free to share this with your friends, your family, and also go to youtube.com/drawandtalk, where I interview indie creators and mainstream comic book creators about different comic book topics, and I also document my own, journey into becoming a comic book creator. So thank you so much. You guys have a good day, and thank you for your support. Boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed that trailer. Kind of gives an overview of what the comic's about, and probably on Wednesday I'm going to drop the full actual trailer onto YouTube to showcase that. But if you liked what you saw, hit the link below. So yeah, right now though, I want to show you guys, I want to talk about the rewards that you can get on this Kickstarter. So let's do this. What's up, guys? Right now, this is the Kickstarter page. So as I'm filming this, we have $542 out of 1,000. Woo! Super pumped about that. So yeah, you can. We got 16 backers. 29 days ago. There's still freaking time. So yeah, let's talk about the freaking rewards that you can get with the book. So for $3, you can get a copy of Demons issue number 1, which is 22 pages, digitally. And it's kind of, I'm not the biggest fan of this reward, but it's kind of just like a, hey, thank you, thanks for supporting, thanks for doing, if you don't have a lot of money, but you want to support me, this is the perfect way to do it. And, I'm really grateful for those of you who've done that. I really appreciate it. I guess the reason why I'm not the biggest fan is just, I want you guys to have the full experience, but like I said, I'm grateful for everything. The next tier is, you get the Demons Volume 1, PDF. It's the full 122-page graphic novel in PDF form. It's only $15. Your name also is going to be in the thank you page. So yeah, everyone's name is going to be in the thank you page regardless. So yeah, $15 or more dollars gets you the Demons Volume 1 digital bundle. Okay, at $25 or more, you get the indie bundle, which is basically Demons Volume 1 and 5 indie comics. And it might be actually more than 5 indie comics. I'm getting a lot of really cool ones sent to me from the creators. This is, I got permission from them. So yeah, you get Demons Volume 1 digital, as well as 5 indie comics digital. So that's a cool reward. And then this is where everything starts to become more physical. So we have at $35, you get Demons Volume 1, the trade paperback, signed with your name printed in the back. That's $35 or more. $50 or more, you get the trade paperback plus the indie bundle and all the digital rewards. At $80 or more, you get everything that I said below. Plus, I'm going to throw in a personal sketch drawn by yours truly. It's going to be like a random superhero, supervillain. I don't know. But personal sketch, one of a kind. And that's actually only limited to 25 people. Because I don't want to like have, crap ton of sketches I have to do. I have other artwork I'm working on. So yeah, 2 people have already taken that. There's 25 left. Yeah, hop on that. And these 2 rewards no one's really snatched up yet, and I kind of just threw them in there, hoping it'd be kind of cool. But at $120 or more, you get everything, plus you get a ticket, a fake ticket though, but a real ticket, but it's like fake because it's not real. You can't physically feel it. To come on the YouTube show. We're just gonna talk comics. We're gonna have a good time, and yeah, we'll maybe do 1 or 2 episodes of us just talking comics and having a good time. So that's $120 or more, and you get the indie comics, you get the trade paperbacks sent to you, and then this is the big one. It's $250 or more. You get the book, you get the digital stuff. But then I will draw a comic book for you. If you write it, you write the comic book, you write 2 pages of comic book, and I will freaking pencil, ink, color, and letter it. That's a full short story, 2 pages. So that's $250 or more. I will pencil, ink, color, and letter your comic that you write, and that's limited to 4 people. So no one's grabbed it yet. So if you want, me to draw your book, snatch it up. And if you don't know what my art looks like, go to drawandtalkcomics.com and go to the portfolio section. You can see the comics that I can draw. So yeah, guys, that's I just wanted to do a really quick Kickstarter update. I'm gonna be hitting up some live streams. I'm gonna be going on a lot of YouTube shows. So I'll link to those as well. But I'm also, while I'm doing this Kickstarter, I'm still working on my book, The Hardline. I'm also working on a book with Ari. I think it's Ari Alexander. I always forget his name. His last name. I know his first name. Come on. I'm going on my Facebook trying to freaking find this. Oh, I was right. Ari Alexander. I'm working on a cool 4-page short story for him. It's awesome. I really like it. And then, obviously, I'm working on Wes Naudell's graphic novel, Undead Row. And I'm loving it. I'm having the time of my life drawing it. So I think today I'm going to be drawing. Today, after I upload this video, I'm going to spend time with my wife. And then at night, I'm going to draw page 20. And it's a splash page. It's going to be a ton of zombies. I don't want to give anything away. Super good. So, yeah. Thanks everyone for supporting me on Kickstarter. The link is down below. If you want to support me as an indie creator, this is step 1 of phase 1. I talked about this in my video, episode 50. Becoming a pro comic book creator. This is step 1. Is doing this Kickstarter, and it just means the world for me. To me. For you guys' support. So thanks everyone. Hit the subscribe button, like and comment. Let me know what you guys think of the Kickstarter. Let me know what you guys think of comic books in general. Let's have a good time, and peace out.